Hi there, I'm gonna share time-saving tips that can give you back a whole portion of your day. So number one, meal prep kits not only helps us to be healthier, but it helps us to save time. Pre-cut ingredients, I can't swear much by it. This is really my favorite hack. You can have yummy, healthy meals, and these are organic ones, without having to spend 2 hours going to farm-to-table restaurant or trying to figure out yourself the recipes, what to cook, chop, all that. It's great time saver and healthy, yummy meals. The other option is I use also Hungry Root, which is faster meals. They're more like prefab. Takes even less time than Green Chef. They're usually not as yummy and healthy necessarily, but that's another option. And I can get groceries through Hungry Root. Then I also have Thrive that I order some groceries, and sometimes we'll make occasional trips to Costco. So that's how we save time. And then, I'll order sometimes some things. Amazon, not so much. I don't really order food of Amazon, but we are gonna, I'll order like supplements and vitamins and things like that. But long gone are days for me when I go shopping, browsing to the grocery store, because imagine this, every day, a couple times or a couple times a week, that's hours of your time that you could be using productively. For me now, it's like doing content, running my business, managing real estate. I need every hour. And exercise, I rather make time, an hour, 2 hours for exercise than waste time at the grocery store. The other thing is having a wardrobe that matches with everything, and you wake up and you don't need to worry, oh, what am I wearing today? It maybe for some people might be fun, but for me it's just usually a headache and takes a long time to decide. So I just have my uniform, my business t-shirt. I have many black, blue, different types of jackets. I have pants. Now I'm wearing just the black jeans, and I even have brilliant socks here. But it is reduces, because we get decision fatigue. If you have to think, okay, what am I gonna wear right now? Oh, does this match? And then we dress and then, oh no, I gotta change. This looks ridiculous. But if you have like a blueprint where you're gonna wear, and then also ordering stuff becomes easy. You go online, the brand, the size that is gonna fit you because you wore those types of pants or jacket before. And you can throw in some variety, I'll throw in different colors, some different jeans, sometimes, but usually I'll stick to the brands I know, to the sizing that they have, and that saves a lot of time. The other thing that saves time is having my vehicle cleaned professionally by professional detailers and cleaners. I try to kind of not mess it up so that I don't have to clean it too often, but when the times come, I just outsource to the professional detailer, and they do a better job than I would do. Cleaning the windows, the dusts, things like that. The debris on the floor, and if there's any on the seats. The same for home cleaning. Having professional cleaners clean your office, clean your home, deep clean. We can do, I do like small cleanings like on a daily, but if need to deep clean like all the baseboards and things like that, I'll hire a cleaner. And I'm definitely not cleaning the office myself, because we need that done frequently. There's a lot of traffic, so those things saves a lot of time. The other thing is trying to reduce commutes, because commuting can take a lot of time. So I try to combine the trips. You know, if I know I'm gonna go at a certain point of town, I'm trying to think, okay, do I also need to go post office that's nearby? Do I also need to go to buy or drop off something at a certain place that I couldn't do online, for example? And you know, I'll try to combine trips like that. Not mowing, you know, not mowing yourself, your property, that saves time. Outsourcing things like that, like handyman work, repairs. And while some people want to do their own handyman work or repaint, you know, and things like that, for me, my time is better used working on the business or trying to acquire more investments. It's just better use of my time. The other thing is, you still gonna have to have, you know, some recovery time. You can't like work 24/7. So, you know, kind of planning when you're gonna have your exercise, because that can be a great recovery time. When you're gonna going to sleep on time, waking up on time, that's gonna help you to perform better, have more mental clarity. So those things are important to me. Priorities: eating healthy, but not spending too much time on cooking and groceries. Eating out can actually take up a lot of time too. And sometimes eating out is quicker, or having meal delivery. But as we know, you know, commercial food is not going to be as something you prepared at home. So that's what I recommend, those meal prep kits for healthier and faster food prep. And then if you can hire a personal chef, I mean, that's what I would do if I had the money. But that, you know, for most people probably watching this video is not the reality yet, but maybe someday. We are at the place where we can outsource a lot of things. Maybe someday we can outsource that too. That would be my dream come true, you know. But even with that, I don't know if I would like somebody come in like every night to cook. I do enjoy it sometimes a little bit. But if you just decide, okay, what is the biggest time waster in my life? And if you make an effort to prioritize, you know, what's important to do yourself and what's not, and what will long term save you money because you can spend time. For example, a lot of other people need time with their kids too, so that your schedule times, you know, gets even tighter in those times. So I cannot advise on that specifically since I don't have kids, but I know, you know, people that do. You gotta factor in daycare and all these things, picking them up, dropping them off. A lot of times if you have to commute, you can like also use commute to listen audiobooks and things like that. Educate yourself. That could be your decompressing moment, you know, the commute. Hopefully soon we'll have self-driving vehicles. They're not quite there yet. Or getting a driver could be also a worthwhile time-saving thing if you can do work in the car. So hope these tips are helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you next video. Have a brilliant day.